Hello and welcome to today's talk on mycelial pellets in mycoremediation. I'm your host, Aki the Scientist. Let's get started. Mycoremediation is a groundbreaking technique that harnesses the natural abilities of fungi to combat environmental pollution. Fungi possess unique characteristics that make them excellent candidates for remediation efforts, as they can effectively degrade a wide range of pollutants in the environment. Mycelial pellets are compact structures composed of fungal mycelium, the thread-like network of fungi responsible for nutrient absorption and growth. These pellets serve as a concentrated form of fungal biomass, allowing for efficient utilization in the remediation of contaminated areas. Through their interconnected hyphae, mycelial pellets can penetrate contaminated soil and water, facilitating the breakdown and absorption of pollutants. Mycelial pellets offer a range of advantages for mycoremediation, including sustainability, eco-friendliness, cost-effectiveness, and versatility. By leveraging these benefits, we can achieve effective and long-lasting remediation results while minimizing environmental impact and promoting a more sustainable future. In the production of mycelial pellets, fungal mycelium is added to a substrate where it grows and colonizes, eventually forming compact pellets. These pellets are then harvested and used in mycoremediation and other applications. The formation of mycelial pellets is influenced by factors such as electrostatics, hydrophobicity, and interactions between spore wall components. SSF, or solid-state fermentation, is a technique used for scaling the production of mycelial pellets. The efficiency of this process highlights the potential of fungi as a sustainable solution for environmental challenges. Mycelial pellets operate by actively absorbing and metabolizing pollutants present in the environment. Through enzymatic processes, the fungi within the pellets break down complex organic compounds, such as heavy metals, hydrocarbons, and pesticides, transforming them into simpler, less toxic forms. As mycelial pellets colonize contaminated sites, they create a dense network of hyphae that enhances the degradation and removal of pollutants, effectively cleansing the environment. Mycelial pellets have been successfully used in various mycoremediation applications, including oil and chemical spill remediation, heavy metal remediation, wastewater treatment, landfill remediation, and agricultural waste management. These applications demonstrate the versatility and effectiveness of mycelial pellets in addressing a wide range of environmental challenges. In conclusion, mycelial pellets represent a powerful and sustainable solution for environmental cleanup through mycoremediation. By harnessing the natural abilities of fungi, we can address pollution and contamination in an eco-friendly and cost-effective manner. Let's continue to explore the potential of mycelial pellets and integrate them into modern remediation practices for a greener and cleaner world. Thanks for tuning into this talk on mycelial pellets in mycoremediation. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like, comment, subscribe, and follow. You can find me on the platforms listed below. Let's grow.